One of the ways with which we can tone the vagus nerve is by making sure that our exhalation phase of the breath is longer than the inhalation phase of the breath. So this is a really simple principle, but what it does is it allows for a gentle diaphragmatic action to move the breath out of the body on the lengthened exhalation. And because of the diaphragm's position at the base of the ribs and the rib cage, it actually tones the vagus nerve, which is critical for our well-being, for our sense of connection, for our sense of being in a place of poise where we're not so pushed with our ego and with our will force energy that we burn out, but that we're still alert enough to carry out life's duties. So with an extended exhalation practice, we want to just instruct this cautiously, because not everybody's diaphragm will have the same capabilities. And we're also, of course, bringing pelvic floor awareness to the extended exhalation practice. So what we could start with, and usually a fairly easy count for people to achieve with this breath, is to inhale for a count of 4 and to exhale for a count of 6. Now we might even want to start by inhaling for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1, and then exhaling for a count of 5, just to see whether or not we're feeling comfortable with that. And then we would take another, a little bit more of a challenge. If that felt okay, we'd inhale for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1, exhale for a count of 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this time, do it with pelvic floor awareness. So we inhale for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. And on that inhale, of course, the pelvic floor is softening and opening. And on the exhalation phase, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're just gently controlling the excursion of the pelvic floor. We're tethering the pelvic floor to the breath. We're getting that extended exhale, and we're toning the vagus nerve for awesome, healthy hormones.